If this video gets 10 likes, I'll do face reveal. I did a part one of this video. Wow, I look fat. I did a part one of this video a long time ago, and I said I'd do part two, and it's been a long time. So if this video gets 8 likes, I'll reveal a part of my body in the next video. So hit that like button. We're gonna go through and just go through Cyclone 3.7 liter Mustangs and pick out some questions and answer them for you guys, mostly for some of you guys who aren't in the Facebook groups, but for you guys that are, you might find this video funny, you might find it stupid, but we're going to do it, and just do it. So we're going to do it. Let's do it right now. Questions. I need to find questions. There's no questions. Everybody's posting up pictures of their cars in here. Which tune pops the most? Okay, well, I guess that's a good question. It seems to be a thing, is the popcorn tune. Everybody wants to make their car go like this. This popping. You don't need a tune to make it pop. They do it stock no matter what. And no, it's not backfiring. Don't ever call it backfiring, because that's a whole different thing. So it's not backfiring. So there's a MPT and Auto Mafia both will write you a tune. I think MPT still does it. I know Auto Mafia for sure does it. Will write you a tune to make the car pop more. So you just contact your tuner and say, hey, I want it to be popping when I'm decelerating. I think, I don't know who does it the most. I mean, you'd have to try both tunes. I'm sure the max setting on both tunes would allow either tuner to make you be able to pop a lot. So you just ask your tuner. It doesn't really matter. Either tuner can make you pop the most. And why you want to sound like that anyways is beyond me. They already pop a lot to begin with. It's just, that seems like excessive to me. But anyways, yeah, just hit up your tuner and ask him for a popcorn tune. Or don't, because it's stupid. But okay, let's find another question. I'm not going to find one. I'm not going to find one. There's not going to be any. There's literally no questions in here. What do you think? God, that is one ugly Mustang. This is one ugly Mustang. I'm trying to figure out where this scratchy noise is coming from. Well, if you have a noise while you're driving, best thing to do is get a buddy to strap him to the back of the car with his head like upside down, so his head's underneath the car by the exhaust, and just drive really fast. He'll figure it out eventually. Looking to buy Borla Tax for 2015. Posted 2 days ago and nobody commented on it. It's because nobody's selling Borla Tax, because nobody wants to sell Borla Tax, because everybody keeps Borla Tax. Why would you sell Borla Tax? Wait, I've sold Borla Tax. Fuck. Okay, so do you think our V6s are more reliable than an EcoBoost? Yes. 110% they are. EcoBoosts are garbage. No, these cars really are. 3.7s are really reliable. There's no problems with them, except for the water pump and the paint, and a couple other small things. But for the most part, they are reliable, so yes. EcoBoosts, I've seen a lot of problems when I worked at Ford with those things, and I just wouldn't buy one. What's a good reliable security remote start setup for 2014? Well, there's a million companies that make remote starts. The one I used to deal with was S&S Automotive. They were based out of Elmhurst in Illinois, and they sold remote start kits for about $250, $250 to $300, depending how much range you wanted, depending if you wanted like the integrated key fobs or if you wanted separate buttons and stuff. There's different ways, different methods, there's different prices, different ranges, all that stuff. You'll be in the ballpark of about $200 to $500 if you want a good remote start. I'm looking to get shorty headers for my car. I want to improve sound, make it louder and deeper. Well, any shorty headers do the trick. There's a certain set that's better than, well, that's one is better than the other. No, all shorty headers are going to sound pretty much the same, in my opinion. I haven't really seen a difference between them. You could just go with the standard BBKs. A lot of people went with Speed Daddies, but there's some issues with them, with like leaks and just the welds on them sometimes, I guess, aren't that accurate. But just go with a set of BBKs. They're not expensive. They will definitely deepen the tone. Don't expect much horsepower from them, but they'll definitely deepen the tone, that's for sure. They'll make it sound a lot better. So that's what shorty headers are good for. So my boss wants to race me, and he's got a stock 5.7 Challenger 6-speed. That's gonna be a tough one. If you could drive, the 6-speeds are pretty fluid in those Challengers. I've driven one before, and they shift like butter. They're really nice, but you should be able to beat them. I think the automatic 8-speed Challenger would be a lot quicker than the 6-speed, just because that 8-speed Challenger is fast. Does anyone know how big of a rotor you can go with stock V6 calipers? Unless you're tracking the car, just get fucking regular brakes. You don't have to get fucking track brakes on these cars. You're not gonna. It's so pointless. AMR folks, Auto Mafia Racing folks, is data logging necessary, or can I just get a basic bitch tune? Well, at least she's honest. Literally just axle backs, so no mods. You can get just a conservative tune from Auto Mafia. Well, here's what Caleb. Let me say what Caleb said first, because I'm not Auto Mafia. I don't want to speak for him. You can drive, race, do whatever you want on the base tune, but if you want the custom tuning, the custom touch for exactly how your car is running, then you need to log, which is exactly right. You can run in just the basic tune. You're not going to get as much as if you data logged. Yada yada. You guys know the whole story. Data log your tune. It's that simple. Took me almost all day, but I got it done. 373 gears installed in my backyard. Oh, they probably are gonna whine really bad.
Bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
How do you make your car louder on startup? Well, there's a lot of ways. Take your mufflers off, is one way. Press the gas down as you turn the key. That's the first thing somebody said, hold the gas pedal down. That's hilarious. I got a screenshot of that, so I can put that in here. Yeah, that's hold the gas pedal down when you turn the key on. Borla S-Type. Oh, that's me. Never mind. Who sells just one taillight? Ain't nobody gonna buy that shit. Yeah, somebody put in a tear emoji because they're pissed off because they don't want to buy just one. It's a 13, 14 taillight. How are you gonna sell just one? Oh, hey guys, I'm looking for some cats and I live in California. I need a smog check if anyone has any they are wanting to get rid of. I do have a stock mid-pipe with cats on it, as a matter of fact, but I'm not shipping that shit to California because that would cost a lot of money. Fucking amount of memes in this group is just ridiculous, man. Screw the EcoBoost. Best muffler to run with no cats or resonators. Borla S-Type. Borla Tax can be just a little too loud, in my opinion. Borla S-Type. Don't even say Roush. Don't do it. Oh, there's the root-style blower again. Man, people shit on that thing so bad. I'm like, am I like one of the only few people who actually wants it to work? Like, everyone's like, oh, fucking, where's that one picture that Shane put up? I'll put it right here. Man, just give the guy a chance. Give him a freaking chance, man. Doing something good for the community, y'all want to fucking shit on him. That's stupid. Y'all are mean, okay? Oh, by the way, 3-valve Eric's selling his Mustang, if you didn't know. You can buy it. And you drive it off a cliff, too. Not Mustang related, but true airbag light came on, and my wife's 15 Explorer. Does someone know how to disable it? Well, it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. You got to fix the problem. Can't disable a hard code. If you don't know what that means, look it up. This dude really rocking a shifter that looks like this, or is just a joke? I'm putting a picture of it so you can see it. This is crazy. Look at this. It's insane, man. Why isn't there a transmission dipstick? There is, and it's on the plug. There is a dipstick. You dipstick. Good. We're going to call it here. We'll do a part 3 when there gets to be some more questions in here. But for now, those are Cyclone 3.7 Mustang questions, part 2. Peace.